peace keepers. So today we're going to take down my twist because I'll be washing my hair later tonight or tomorrow. So I just want to show you an easy way to take it down and have a nice twist out look even with the old twist. So the first step that I like to do is to get some oil and put it on my fingertips. This helps so that your hair is not frizzy because the oil helps to keep away the frizz. The more you mess with your hair, the more frizzy it is. So I like to start on a twist. Start at the bottom. Just untwist it as it naturally goes. And when you get to the top, you want to make sure that you're not pulling too much and just to keep the natural twist going. The natural look. And not to make it frizzy. Okay, so there's the first part. So here's the look that I get from just taking the twist down. You can see that there's a lot of definition. It's very volumized. I think that's my favorite thing about twists. I'm not really a middle part kind of girl, so I like to, move my hair around. You gotta kind of play with it to, get it to do what you really want it to do. Kind of just finger comb it just a little bit, not too much because I don't want it to get too frizzy. So there you go. I'm not really too big on edges, but I kind of want to slick some of it back. So I'm going to get a couple bobby pins. I don't have any edge control, so Marie's Edge Wax will do for today. I'll put some on my finger, and I just want to put it on top. This is going to help me slick it down, and when I slick it down, it'll help it stay. So I like to brush that. I'm not gonna part it, but I do like it to look at least a little. No, I'm gonna part it aside. Okay, so that's not completely straight, but it looks a little better. Helps me with my OCD. So I'll put a little bit more on here. This stuff kind of sucks, but it'll do for now. I don't need nothing too strong. And I don't mind putting my product on my hair because I'm about to wash it. I also like to use Afro-G mousse. I've learned in the time since I've been getting to know my hair that mousse really helps lay things down. So I just put the mousse right on top of the edge control. Boom. Dry my fingers off. Get the brush. And just wanna brush it back. And then, oops. Okay, get here, hold it down, grab a bobby pin. Bobby pin right above your finger. Wait. The bobby pin part can be kind of hard. sometimes I like to just do it down. That helps. Okay, there's one bobby pin. I like to put a couple bobby pins just to make sure I know that it'll stay. One going up, one going down. You can put your finger through to make sure that it gets there. So boom. And then to make sure that it stays laid down, I use wrapping style strips, Rapid Junior, whatever. That's what it's called. I use these for my closure, but it works on my natural hair too. So, I like to get it. It's very stretchy. I don't need it on the side that's not flat, so I take it and bring it around, and I just tie it up in the back. It's made of paper, so it's super easy to take off. You just rip it, cut it, do whatever fits you. I might put another one on there just to make sure it stays all the way flat. So I'm gonna get this one just to get that piece right there. So I'll put it up a little bit higher. Like I said, I don't really need it for the other side. I'll just tie it. It's really humid outside and my hair really frizzes up when it's hot. So this will help while I'm in the car to just, and then you want to get the hair that gets from under. You don't want that side to be flat. I'm not going to do much to this. I'm going to let it just run its natural course. This will also help if the bobby pins don't keep it flat. I like to keep this on, you know, just as I get ready to go, right before I leave. I don't even take it off before I leave. I usually take it off in the car right before I get to my destination. But this is a real easy style. If you get tired of your twists, side parts are my favorite, so you'll probably see a lot of side parts on me, but this is just the look. I'll add a picture when I take this down and get dressed. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what else you'd like to see. Let me know how you're liking my channel. If you have any recommendations for me, what you like, what you don't like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you, Peacekeepers. Bye.